my shotgun, which is my, let me put this down here. This is the Emperor. It's a defensive shotgun. MPT AC12, 12 gauge. And Cliff's here today. And what is that, a Remington?
It's a Mossberg.
Oh, Mossberg.
395 KA, 12
and
gauge.
It's 12 gauge bolt action. So we're just gonna heat these up for a little bit and see how it goes. So you guys, hope you enjoy it. Yeah, you can go first.
I like it. Except for the fact it ejects right into my face.
Yeah, right.
It's a little hot.
Okay,
Alright.
after we do this round, then I'll put the camera on the target so you can see that thing.
Paper flying everywhere.
Yeah. It's got a little bit of a kick to it.
Yeah.
Am I even hitting it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Paper's flying.
Okay. All right. Yeah, well, that one's got some kick. It's all right, though. I'm not dying.
No.
All right, so I'm just going to let him shoot this down range, and you guys can see the paper flying on the target. So, all right, guys, here we go. You can shoot it down lower if you want for the, oh no, whatever you want to shoot. Okay. Well, it didn't crack or nothing.
That's good.
Did you see the wad?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to try this one. I don't know if I put one in though. You might have to rack it.
What the fuck is the...
It's under there.
Oh.
Yeah.
There it goes.
one's got kick, right?
I like it.
Yeah, I think this is it's 4. And then,
Yeah.
all right, I'm gonna try Cliff's. I never shot a bolt action shotgun before. Here we go. This one's got kick too, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta whip it.
Well, I like that one better than that one.
Yeah.
That one's got some freaking kick to it.
I think it might be the shorter barrel. In all honesty, more powder burn on the outside.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're just going to keep shooting. Hope you enjoyed. Wait till the next one, and we'll bring out a couple more shotguns, maybe my rifle next time. We'll see.